Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. The art of manufacturing glass is thousands of years old. Despite having technologies, some manufacturers still prefer to produce handmade glass products. Today we'll be covering some of the most fantastic glass works. In this clip, you can see how these workers turn red-hot glass into a beautiful shape with their hands. This way of manufacturing is known as hand-blown glass. Workers blow the glass out from the inside with their breath and shape it with their hands using special wood blocks and cutting tools. This requires expertise in glass crafting, and no doubt, Eastfall workers are some of the best. This sculpture is meant to be the art of intelligence, and when you look at glass works made by anchor bent glass, it truly reflects that. That's because they have a mastery over glassworks. This clip is a manufacturing demonstration of glass wave sculptures. Each day, they use almost 4 tons of glass. Colors are given to the glass when it is in its molten state. Often, particular kinds of salts are used for that purpose. VETRO is a nationally recognized active glass-blowing studio and fine art gallery. VETRO offers an extensive variety of professionally crafted glass art, ranging from handmade sculptures to small glass art gifts. They allow their guests to assist in creating their own unique art glass. You can visit and enjoy the best artists' presence as they develop and practice glassblowing's ancient art. Did you know? You can produce glass by melting sand. However, it requires a temperature of 3090 degrees Fahrenheit, or nearly 1700 degrees Celsius, which is approximately the same temperature the space shuttle faces when it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere. They also add limestone and washing soda for the purpose of chemical resistance and more durability. KOG is famous for producing the world's best glass and glass products. You can see their love and passion for glass in this video. Back in the 90s, Nixies were the in thing. Nixies were lamps with numeric displays inside a vacuum tube, widely used in early digital voltmeters, multimeters, frequency counters, and many other technical equipment types. Even the display for the first computer was made with Nixies. But production has now resumed in the Czech Republic. DALIBOR FARNY craft each Nixie by giving more than 3 hours of handcrafted precision to each unit. In this clip, you will watch Lambert's manufacturing process of glass sheets by hand. First of all, workers take some amount of liquid sand and try to pump it with as much air as possible. When the glass gets into a balloon-like shape, it is cut from one side. Alongside the entire process, a worker keeps it up rotating so that it could get into a uniform shape. After getting the required cylindrical shape, they cut it from one side and mold it under heat into sheets. For faster production, Lambert's also uses a process called float bath. The furnace's molten materials flows into the float bath, which consists of a mirror-like surface made from molten tin. This material enters the bath at 1500 degrees Celsius and leaves the bath at around 650 degrees Celsius. It ends up with a shape sort of like a ribbon. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.